Hi, welcome to Katerina Finds. Today I would like to review NAGAIA dip system. I got quite a few things that I would like to show you how I'm gonna use it to do my nails. I already did the manicure, so it's perfect. Also, I got 3 spare brushes, but with the brush cleaner it shouldn't be that essential to change them too often. Let's see my powders. So this one is the pink one. Premium nail dipping essential liquid made with surgical and cosmetic grade material that are vegan, non-toxic, and cruelty free. Pink one, white one, and glacier blue. So let's do the white nails today. Individually wrapped product for better stockage, leakage, or damage improvement. Deep Essential Liquid comes in full-size volumes in glass bottles, which is far beyond the time-saving and expected experience and result. They are almost odorless, self-leveling liquid that delivers an acrylic nail alternative, instantly dried to deliver your long-lasting deep nail goal effortlessly. This brand offers a wide range of deep liquids to help you achieve no matter simple or complex dipping nail coat, no matter contrasting, French, ombre, glittering, or hand printing. Base coat of dip is a self-leveling formula in between thick and thin, effortlessly deliver you even layer every single stroke, no runny, no bulk, no bumps, no ridges, friendly for both beginners and nail pros. Activator is safely cures or hardens your deep nail while activating their longevity and durability with no UV lamp needed. Top coat will seal, shine, and longevity, making sure your nails are both flawless and durable with no chipping or cracking for up to 4 weeks. I did use a little bit of filing, and also after I apply top coat and let it dry, I use buffer just to make it matte, as it's how I like it.